Some of the things that makes us unique. Now, we're bringing the US know-how over to Europe. Now that gets you only so far. The knowledge of cannabinoids is one thing. The knowledge of pharmaceutical manufacturers is a completely other area. And to that effect, you're hiring, you have a great base of educated people in Portugal from the pharmaceutical industry, very reasonably priced. We have two PhDs that used to be with the Infarmed, which is the regulatory agency in Europe, in Portugal, that approves all of our products, approves our facility. You have a large company called Tilray, and other large companies like Cleaverly's that have been paving the way, working with Infarmed, educating them on cannabis and how cannabis is made and how it's formulated and what the effects are. There's a tremendous amount of IP that's created along this process. When you're making a medicine and you're making your distillate, over here we may make in the United States, we make a distillate, and we understand that's a step towards the next product. Whether you're going to make the gummy bears or the chocolates or the vaporizers. Over there, when you make a distillate, that becomes an API, that becomes a medicine. All right. When you formulate that, when you take that distillate and you create pills with that, even if it's 5 milligrams of THC, 25 milligrams of CBD as an example, that becomes a medicine. That becomes a registered medicine. You're creating medicines, and then you're ultimately taking a look to see how do these solve the problems that we set out to achieve, whether it's pain relief, whether it's sleep aids. How does that actually fix these issues? Are they effective fixing of the issues? And you're researching that with the consumer basis. So you're looking at ultimately creating a product that's safe to distribute. This is a long road, but it's also the proper road if you're looking at consumer safeties. And sure, we also understand that recreational will come to Europe in different forms over the many years. And we're also positioned for that. It's a lot easier to go from when you start at the high level of creating medicines, EU-GMP pharma, and then going down to EU-GMP food grade, similar to hemp products that you see today.